One of the things that I like best about Valley is really the group mentality. The nurses here, the attendings, everybody's working together to do what's best for the patient and support each other.
What's kept me at Valley for so long is the people that I work with. Without a doubt, everyone is very helpful, very supportive. It's a great team atmosphere.
So what I think about Valley and what makes it unique is just working with the underserved population here. I think we really see and get the chance to work with patients who have limited resources, and learning that and seeing how appreciative they are of their help here is one of the things that makes this place really unique for me.
We have so much tech and there's so much money here, yet there's still excessive poverty, and there's a real huge dichotomy between the haves and the have-nots. And I think you can see that anywhere you go. And the neighborhoods that we serve and our clinics are really strategically located in these areas that are very underserved medically. And we're really the safety net hospital. I mean, we are the county and we take care of all these kids.
Responden a todas nuestras preguntas y dudas, que es lo que nos gusta. Y hasta ahorita todo bien, muy bien, gracias.
I think the doctors here are really nice.
Thanks.
I think that what makes Valley most unique is just the variety of experiences that we get all in one place and all in one day. Because of that, I think overall this is the place that made me feel most like a doctor when I was first going through intern year and especially going into the junior rotation at Valley. As a junior, you're not only getting your first experience supervising a team, which was a really amazing experience that early in residency, but also getting to go down to the ED and do consults, getting to go to the burn unit and be a consultant for another specialty's patients, neurosurgical patients, ortho patients, running a PICU at the same time as we're dealing with more routine pediatric things like neonatal jaundice. Doing all of that in one day is an experience that I've never seen anywhere else.
Our clinic is a very unique clinic in that it's an urgent care setting, but we have the ability to work things up as if we're in an ER setting. So we have suturing at our fingertips, we have radiology at our fingertips, including ultrasound, CT, MRI if we need it same day. So we're really able to work things up from our urgent care, and we have access to subspecialists right below us that we're in communication with all the time when we need expertise or help. And really it's right across the street from the main hospital, so we're able to admit patients when they really need further workup or a higher level of care. And so I think that coordination of care that we have here is really special, and it allows the residents to really work things up from a chief complaint to a diagnosis.
Day shifts can be pretty crazy and busy since we can have lots of high volume here, and it's really about seeing the patients, getting stuff done, making sure that we get people going in a safe way. And nighttime is really about triaging, admitting new patients, going down to traumas if you're a junior or senior, and keeping the day's plan going.
A lot of our traumas tend to happen at night, and so you attend those traumas in the ER and you assist in the ICU, getting them settled in as well.
Thankfully overnight we still have an intern and a senior, so we all work together to kind of determining how many patients we're getting at that particular time. We divide the work with one of us helping with orders, putting in that for the admission orders. The intern goes see the patient, and we help kind of assess and see if there's any acute needs that we all need to put our heads together to figure out what's going on. But overall, it's a great system. We work as a team. The attending's available if we have any other further questions, but I think the nighttime has been a great experience for me.
What's really special about Valley and the reason why most people stay here is two reasons, right? One is the graduate medical education aspect of our job, which is really special. And then two is really our patient population that we serve. A, the diversity, and also B, the appreciation that our patients show us day in and day out. And it really gives you meaning to your job.
No tengo las palabras para agradecer la estancia de Kevin aquí, me sentí como en casa. Me gusta mucho la comunicación, que sea todo en grupo. Kevin hay veces que no quiere trabajar, pero yo lo motivo, lo motivan los terapistas. Me siento motivada por los doctores, les doy gracias a ellos porque ellos me han hecho fuerte a mí y yo he estado fuerte aquí con Kevin para que él salga adelante. Y parece que así lo ha demostrado.
Hasta la vista, señores.
And besides it being a great place to work with underserved populations and also the bread and butter aspect of it, it's also just feels like a family. All the nurses really know each other. We work well with the nurses, the ancillary staff. It's a much smaller staff, so everyone really knows each other, and you feel very well supported.
Even just like this past weekend, we had a little bit of downtime during the day, so we went and decorated cupcakes with our patients in the playroom, and just being able to, you know, be here and in an environment that's so group mentality has just been so wonderful.
Certainly in a code situation, I feel like once we as the pediatric team arrive, you see other people breathe a sigh of relief. And when you're first in that situation, it's like, wait, why are you looking at me like that? And then you realize they really are looking to you as the expert in how to take care of children.
Valley is one of my favorite places in our residency program, and I think it's one of the best parts of it. This is really where we get a lot of our bread and butter pediatrics. The patient population's amazing. We get a ton of autonomy from the attendings here. The nurses are great. It's just an awesome place to learn.